What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I'll be doing a review of the Pixel 5. Shout out to Team Pixel and Google for sending that out to your boy BG Tech Life. Really dope. They sent out the Pixel Buds. They sent out the fabric case for the Pixel 5 5G. This is a 5G phone, guys, at a $699 price point, which is very nice. So first, let's just talk about the device itself. The build is a different feel of a build, guys. I like it because it has grip and it's minus the fingerprints. I have the sort of sage color. It's basically aluminum with a plastic type coating. Feels good in the hand. I like how it feels in the hand, guys. I like the color, and I like the glossy power button. I'm sure that's like some type of glossy aluminum. Really nice touch, guys. But yeah, the build overall, it's a nice build, nice feel on the back. The display, we got that no notch now. We just got that pinhole in the left corner for the camera. Really liking the way that they display the display. I don't want to really touch on the display. I'm just talking about the form factor of the display. I'm glad we don't have that big notch anymore. Okay, so now let's talk about it. Since we're gonna get into it, we talked about the display of the display. Let's talk about the display, guys. I'm loving this 1080 OLED on this display. This is a very beautiful display, guys, on this device. Really nice display. It has a vividness to it. It's not super vivid or oversaturated, but it has some really good blacks, has some really good colors, and I can watch content. This is like a sweet spot for the size of a phone, not an oversized phone, but just a nice cell phone size. The display looks very vibrant, not oversaturated. Really like the display, really like the pinhole. I really don't see it. It's so much better than the notch, guys. So yeah, you can really watch some content on this device, guys. I'm loving the display. I was surprised actually how good the display was, just being 1080. I could compare it to some 2K displays that I've had. And now that we off the display, we can talk camera, guys. Camera, I mean, Pixel does what they do what they do. You know, that's what they do. Cameras, what they do with their processing. And you can take some beautiful pictures with this phone. You can even get some good video with this phone. It's comparable to all major flagships at a $699 price point, guys. So that's very dope. You're gonna get a great selfie. You're gonna get that great portrait mode. Got a rear shooter with the addition of a wide angle camera now, guys. Definitely you getting this camera holds the key to wide angle, night mode. I mean, super good selfies. So you can't really, especially at a $699 price point, guys, this camera is very dope. I must say that. And that's nothing new for Pixel, so I'm not gonna hop on it. You guys know what it is. This is not our first Pixel. This is not the first dance we've been to, guys. It's very dope. Now let's talk about performance, because this phone doesn't have the cream of the crop specs as far as performance goes. It's got the Snapdragon 765 processor. Most flagships have been coming out with the Snapdragon 865. The 765 allows this phone still to be a 5G device. And on top of that, guys, it's nothing that I do with, I've had many 865 Snapdragon phones. I do the same thing with my Pixel, which is a 765, as I do with those phones. Me, as a moderate to heavy user, I don't really notice a performance difference. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't notice a performance difference. Definitely just a good performing device. It's not freezing on me, it's not lagging on me. It's a very smooth device to me, guys. So 765 Snapdragon is okay with me, especially when it's keeping some ducats in my pocket and the Pixel is not costing $1,000, $1,100, $1,200, guys. So yeah, really dope device, guys. And I'm liking how Google is saying we don't have to take our flagship phone and make it glass and you know, give it certain things and make it $1,000 to compare with other flagships. We're in a class of our own. We can sell our software and a solid device. This is what the Pixel 5 is, guys. A solid device. It's giving you 5G. It's giving you some of the best pictures and videos off a cellular device. It's giving you a nice quality build. You do have wireless charging, and oh yeah, we have a fingerprint scanner on the back, guys. It's probably one thing I wish we did have was a little facial recognition. Didn't have to be the most in-depth facial recognition, just something nice to let me get my phone open. But at the same time, guys, very dope device. The fingerprint scanner on the back is clutch right now. We're in a pandemic. We're all wearing masks. So Face ID is not working as good and facial recognition is not working as good. So sometimes just having that fingerprint scanner on the back is definitely a plus. It's definitely solid. It definitely works every time you need it, guys. So yeah, it's BG Tech Life. I'm definitely enjoying the Pixel 5. Shout out to Team Pixel. If you're not following me, follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. Follow me on Instagram, BG_Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. It's your man, BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.